So welcome everyone. Welcome to Sadaiva classes. You are in standard 3 and this is the textbook of your standard 3 English medium English Balabharti. Today we are going to see a lesson a lesson of 8 number known as a honeybee speaks. Name of the lesson is a honeybee speaks. Right? Honeybee speaks. It is a monologue. It is a monologue. Only one person is narrating here. What? Me, a lazy bee? You think I simply have fun all day among the flowers? Oh no, when I am flitting from flowers to flower, I am actually very hard at work, and that's why I called not a lazy bee but a busy bee. So this is a busy bee. Honeybee is not a lazy, but it is a busy bee. खूप काम करते ती, खूप कष्ट करत असेल. Lazy नाही म्हणायचं, तिला busy म्हणायचं, right? Come, I'll show you my house and tell you what a lot of work we bees do all our life, right? My house is called as a honeycomb. त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण मधमाशींचा पोळा, right? It is called as a honeycomb. It's a big house. It's a big house with thousands of rooms or cells. You can see here or cells. Each room has six equal sides. We take a lot of care to build it. We even produce the material for building the comb. It's called as the beeswax. It is known as the beeswax. The beeswax is used for this purpose. For this purpose. Let's go ahead. Do you know when I was very young? Do you know when I was very young? I used to stay at home, but even then I had to do a lot of work. Yes, lot of work. I had to look after the larvae, the babies that would grow into bees. I had to feed them and protect them. If anyone came near our comb to disturb it, I was ready with my weapon, a sting. I am only a worker. I'm not only a worker, I'm also a soldier. We beware, don't trouble me. तुम्हाला माहिती आहे ना मधमाशा चावतात सुद्धा. So she is not a worker, she is also a soldier. Well, to go back to the calm, I had to keep the calm cool by fanning it with my wings. Then I had to keep the house in order, put away all honey and food that other bees brought from the flowers. But luckily, I had hundreds of other bees working with me. We all worked together without ever fighting. That's one reason why we can build such a perfect and beautiful house. There are many honeybees working together and work together and they make such a beautiful house. Yes, I helped. Yes, I helped with the house building. Two, we keep making our house bigger and bigger to make room for the babies and for the food and honey we gather. Food and honey we gather. Then, when I became older, I began to fly out of the comb to to gather nectar. I take the nectar and pollen from the flowers and carry them back to the comb. Nectar is the sweet juice in the flower, and pollen is the yellow powdery stuff you see on the flowers. I visit hundreds of flowers and make several trips every day without wasting even a single moment. ती खूप काम करत असते, कुठल्याही प्रकारे थांबते का ते नाही. Then the nectar from the flower is too thin. The nectar from the flower is too thin. We bees turn it into a sweet, thick honey that you like. Okay. It is only because you called me a lazy bee that I stopped and explained it all to you. Otherwise, I have not a moment to lose. Bye. ती का बरं सांगते? Because आपण तिला काय म्हटलेलं आहे? Lazy bee. But she is not a lazy bee, right? So there are some question and answers. Let's see. Why is the bee called a busy bee? Because she works without losing a moment. Without losing a moment, she works. What work do young bees do? They collect, they feed the larvae. They feed the larvae. They protect them. They feed the larvae. What the older bees do? They go and collect the nectar and pollen, right? Then, what weapons do the bees have? They have a sting. They have a vector known as sting. When does the bee use its weapon? So, whenever they find any enemy, they use that weapon. Right? So, you have to do only question number one. Don't do other questions. Only question number one. Okay, guys? So, chalo.